Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the slider video introduction edit on CapCut PC. So go to library first and select the background you want, like the colors that you want. I'm just going to choose let's say this one, and then this blue one, and this orange one. And I'm going to place like 3 of them next to each other. Something like that. There you go. Then I'm going to place like the characters on top. I'm also going to place the images like this one. And I'm also going to extend the length to maybe like 3 seconds. On the first slide, I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select split. I'm also going to split it this way and I'm going to feather it out. And I'm going to put this like on top here at the beginning, and I'm going to add in a keyframe here, and then here I'm going to pull it down. And if like the sizing is a little bit off, you can definitely mask it again. So I'm just going to create compound clip here first and then select the split one and split it this way, so it like deletes the like stuff in the middle later on. And then select like the character you want and just put it on top. I'm going to resize it and I'm going to place it here. Then I'm going to select you can use the in animation, or you can keyframe it, but I find this to be easier. So select slide down. And then on this one, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to select split. And then I'm going to feather it out a little bit. Again, add a keyframe here. And then here I want to move it down. And I'm also going to just right click, create compound clip to split it so that it deletes the rest of the part, like so. And again, I'm going to add in the, I guess like the character on top, or like the sticker. You can select any any image that you want, really. Just try to make it the same. Just gonna place it in the middle as well. Then I'm going to select animation, in, and slide down. And you have this last one, which you can create like the same animation, but like it goes from down to up. So go to mask, select film strip, split again, and then split it this way. Just feather it out a little bit. Add a keyframe at the beginning. I'm just going to add a keyframe here and move this up here. I'm going to add in the character. And instead of selecting the slide down animation, I'm going to select the slide up animation, which is here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!